teeth. Now I have a reference to know where to bring that post back down to. I think we're loose. Okay. Now, yeah, I was right. 15 inches is where I'm going to cut it right there.
That gasket will be negligible, right?
It'll squish down. It'll squish down. It's Saturday, November 23rd. I've just finished taking off these rotten tails. These are the bottom parts of the exterior sheeting, exterior boards that comprised the sheeting. They're obviously very, 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 very bad. But it's weird because I just arbitrarily picked this horizontal board to cut up to just to test and to jack from, to take the weight off this wall. And it turns out that the wood up there is actually pretty clean. So somehow I've managed to get to like the magic level where it's not really rotted out. folks, that's a wrap for this week. We have got our 2x10 sill plate down on our new cinder block foundation wall, and then to that I've made our 2x12 treated rim joist, and then I have sandwiched between the rim joist and the concrete lip outside the first run of zip sheathing. So now, for the first time in about I don't know, a month or so, the wall is actually not flapping in the wind. We've got a secure wall here, whereas before it was just plain old siding there. A critter could have just chewed their way in. So this is the plan. I'm actually going to run sill plate to top plate 2x4 studs, which will be notched over this, the rim joist, so that the drywall edge will be even with this 4x4 post. And then every 16 inches we're going to notch out every third or so horizontal board to lay our stud in. So basically we're creating the inside cavities of a stud wall, marrying to the old exterior 5/4 board. When it comes time for siding in the spring, we'll take that 5/4 board off and then continue the run of zip all the way up to the peak of the roof. So that's how this wall is getting remediated. But I'm pretty stoked about how it is now. I've got my temporary brackets holding the rim joist in place. Got the zip in there attached to the rim joist. We'll be caulking to the concrete outside, and yeah, so we're gonna do the same process to this wall here. It's gonna be a little bit different because it's actually gonna have joists that are gonna be laying across this. So we're gonna be doing some carpentry, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked right now. So off to dinner.